Hello and welcome. So today in this video you will get to know how I went to Radiant, and this might even help you to go to Radiant. So the settings I used when I was grinding for Radiant is this. The enemy highlight color I use is yellow and the sensitivity is 0.89 in 400 dpi, and these are just normal, and this is how I keep my minimap. And this one I like to keep it on, this show mature content and show corpse, because I feel like I hit the headshot more often when I keep these settings on. And the show blood thing is off, and then I had to keep this on because I want to see if someone is spectating me or not. It's really important for me. And looking at the controls, it's just same. I just use the default settings for this. But in the equipment, I used I am a OPER, so I use toggle, and zooming I use the cycle setting. And I don't like to go to the scope again, so that's why I put this off. Then all the settings are the same here. Crosshair, I like to use this dot. It's been for like 4 years now, 3 years. I'm just using this. And for video settings, these are the settings. And this should be on plus boost. Graphics quality all low, off. And so these are the settings that I use